FLORA's layer editor is going to make your life a whole lot easier. Everything you need is right there on the canvas, so no more jumping in and out of menus. This means your images feel intentional, not accidental, and you stay in full creative control the whole time. Here's some examples of how to get the best out of it. Connect your images to a layer editor node. Enter the layer editor by double-clicking it. Select your layers, switch the orders, and make adjustments. Right-click on the image to access quick controls. Change the opacity to place the logo precisely onto the product. Rotate, flip, and align the image by a single click. After you finish editing, click the Exit button on the top toolbar. Connect another image node and polish the final output with a prompt that can blend the layers seamlessly, as if you're using AI as your render engine. Remove the background of the final image from the previous step. Connect to a layer editor with a background image. Change the aspect ratio to horizontal this time, and place the product onto the background. Roughly composite the image and do the final touch-ups with nano. Remove the background from the person. Connect the person and the background together to a layer editor node. Select the aspect ratio and roughly place the person onto the background. Adjust the scale and position. Render the person seamlessly onto the background, asking AI to blend the lighting and textures naturally. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.